Hiya, it's Lorna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you another pair that I got. It is not a Dr. Martens pair, it's a Vans pair. Yes, I wear Vans. Yes, this is one of my favorite brand, especially for summer. I think since I can remember, every summer it has been Vans and a bit of Dr. Martens, of course, because I work in Dr. Martens. But you know, my summer shoes are Vans, so I have quite a lot of pair from Vans. And this year I purchased this one, so I'm going to show you. They have been really, I heard that there had been quite a lot of demand on it. Yes, it is the new school, so not old school like we all know, the high ones or even the low ones. No, this is the new school with a K, and it looks like this. So it's super 90s, super 90s. This part is super chunky. I love it. It's quite more of a pair of sneakers that what I'm actually used to wear, so it's quite a bit different for me. So what I did today is that I brought some other pair of sneakers that I wear, so you can compare a bit, and I can definitely tell what I like is this part of the shoe. And I think because it's, I don't know, it's a 90s revival at this time. Even though I look goth, I like goth music, I like the goth aesthetic. During the summer it is very difficult, and congrats to you all that survived summer with this outfit, with this aesthetic. For me, it's back to emo days, it's back to 90s, it's back to 2000s, it's back to the new millennial. It's me, it's little shorts, I'm sweating as I can't wear this all aesthetic all the time. Well, this is actually not a winter dress, it's a summer dress, so this is fine. But see, this I would wear with a pair of Dr. Martens sandals. Not this, obviously, but what is quite a go-to outfit for me as an alternative girl is to go a bit more with the punk rock style. I don't want to say it because shame on me to have this kind of playlist, but yeah, I do. I'm sorry, I'm a mix. I'm never fully into something. Well, I'm fully into something, but I'm quite mixed, as I grew up with some kind of emo punk rock kind of music in a way, and then I also discovered at the same time The Cure and Joy Division and all of that, and yeah, and also metal. But I keep apart metal because I mean it's not, this also something different. So for goth people I'm a bit more metal, for emo I'm a bit more goth, for goth I'm a bit, you know what. So anyway, I don't really care, but this will be my summer sneakers. So I'm gonna show you both what they look like. Like this. So I'm quite concerned that it looks really like sneakers, because if you know some, well, if you know some Vans, of course you know some Vans shoe. I don't even brought one there to compare, but this is a bit more heavy. I don't know if you can see, this is a bit larger. So this looks like, for me, as I don't wear Nikes, it looks a bit more like Air Force, you know. It's super large for me, or even a bit more Converse. I don't know, it feels like it's really big, so I just have to get used to it a bit. And this is like this, so see, it's really massive. But I really like how they are, I don't know, wide, and also really chunky and comfortable. They hold your feet really well. Did I walk with them yet? No, just trying them on, but yeah, I wanted to do a concert with them and I changed my mind because I didn't want to ruin them, and it was a good idea because I went into the pit this time and I think, well, I lost my shoe. I lost one of my shoe in the mosh pit. So it's a good thing I haven't take them, but I think they would have hold my feet better than the other pair I took with me. But anyway, so this is the VANS KNU SKOOL edition. I am a size 5, 38, as in Dr. Martens, as in every brand. Yeah, I'm a real 38, so that's it. Really comfortable. I think because this take a bit of, you know, space inside also. I don't know, it holds well your feet. So I'm just gonna compare with this old etnies of mine. I tried to clean them a bit before the videos. So yeah, what I like etnies, I don't even know the model, I don't know, but you can see that what I like is this part, and so this is really 90s, well, 2000s something, and so you can see I rather have something like this, like a bit rounder and less sole like this. For me, the sole is a bit too high like this. But anyway, I have like a crush for this one, so I'm really happy I have those. And also, what I have to compare is this one. So I never had a globe. I also bought a globe pair of sneakers. And it's this one and it's this one I lost in a concert, and they look like this. So this is the model Tilt, I think. So I took a size 38 again, but it is a kid, that is the kid line, so it's size a bit smaller. Which is really weird because I lost the shoe. But yeah, I don't know, it feels like this is not as comfortable as the Vans or the etnies. The globe are a bit narrow there, and you have the globe like this, and again the chunky, how do you say, I know this word. This means I haven't been working for months. I know this word. Anyway, if you guys remember the word I want to say, let me know in the comments. This part is a bit all soft and big, and I like it. So yeah, let me know what is your favorite. So new ones, VANS KNU SKOOL, basic etnies sneakers, and the gloves one looks like this underneath. They're quite well. So I've been wearing them and they're quite well. I don't know, I think it's because I only wear them when it's really dry out there. So they are my sneakers for the summer. Yeah, it will be a bit of a skater summer. Still don't know how to skate, but I'm thinking one day I will continue to have some lessons and perhaps I will know how to skate well. Anyway, so thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Tschüss!